Hi Rajesh sir, good morning. Welcome to the show. How are you, sir?
Yeah, good morning, Vignesh. I am good. How about you?
Thank you, sir. Sir, what is the outlook for the market?
So, in the last 2-3 trading sessions, we have seen that, market has given a breakout of, consolidation range, which we were seeing in the market since last 10-15 trading session. And as we were expecting that the second half would be the interesting for the market, and we managed to give breakout above that 11,300-350 zone. So, looking at the current scenario, I believe that, this momentum is likely to continue further higher, and as we are trading in expiry week for the series, and looking at the data, I believe that, furthermore, rally of another 100-150 point we can see in the market in very short period of time. So my higher side target would be at around 11,600-650 on the higher side for the Nifty. Now those who are trader, they can, trail their stop loss now towards 11,300. This is the immediate support area. So those who are trader in the market, they can now trail their stop loss at 11,300. Market trend is looking bullish. Sectorial rotation is happening across the board. Buying action is there wherever there is a positivity in terms of news flow, in terms of unlock activity. A lot of buying actions are happening in the market. So buy on dip should be the strategy. The same strategy we are reiterating since last a few weeks, and the same we are continuing. Buy on dip should the strategy. 11,300 is the stop loss for trading point of view. Those who are positional trader, those who are buying position for short period of time, they can keep their positional stop loss at 11,100. On the higher side, the immediate target which I am looking for the Nifty is 11,600 to 650 in very short period of time. And I believe that as we are now trading about 78.60% retracement of the entire fall of the March series. So now if it continues to hold above 11,400 level, then there is a high possibility that in coming month, in next 1 or 2 months, we might test, all-time high level also. So setup is very positive, and one should remain on the buying side of the market.
Sir, what's the view on the Bank Nifty side? There has been some smart recovery recently.
So, what we have seen in the Bank Nifty after a long consolidation of, last 2-3 months, Bank Nifty also managed to give breakout in the last week itself. And now Bank Nifty is trading about 22,400, and which is very important. I was quoting this level this last few weeks. So now we are comfortably trading about 22,400 level. So my belief is that now a Bank Nifty can show furthermore catch-up rally, and now we are managed to cross about 38% retracement of the entire fall in the Bank Nifty at 22,400. So my stop loss for Bank Nifty to remain long is 22,400, and I am expecting another upside target of 23,500 to 24,200. This could be the possible target in coming trading session. Maybe it may take another 10-15 days to reach that target. But looking at the setup on the banking stock, my belief is that, most of the stock has shown good consolidation action. And after the consolidation, we have seen a breakout in the current week itself. Most of the stock like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, SBI even managed to cross about 200 level. So these are all constituents are suggesting that, Bank Nifty may show furthermore catch-up rally from the current level, and 23,800, 24,200 could be the next target for the Bank Nifty. One can trail their stop loss towards 22,400 to remain long. Again, in the Bank Nifty also, one should adopt a strategy of buy on dips only.
Okay. Sir, any stock and segment that you think is looking attractive?
So, if you look at the sector-wise, the sectors which are clearly in the bullish territory, as we have already mentioned earlier also, like pharma and IT is clearly bullish territory stocks or sector you can say. So in pharma tech, I like, these as well as Arvindo Pharma. These two stocks I like from the pharma tech to initiate the buy position. Even if you look at the other sector like automobile index is also given a golden crossover. Even Nifty has given a golden crossover. Cement index is also given a golden crossover. Pharma index, IT, these all, indices has recovered and given a golden crossover. So these indicates, this is a broader buying action is coming across the sector. In the core sectors are showing strength. And whenever this kind of, golden crossover occurs in any kind of, indices or in stocks, so then we generally see, this positivity or this trend is likely to continue for, further more, time period. And maybe another 1, 2, 3 months, we will see bullishness to remain continue. So another sector which I like is automobile. From automobile pack, I like Maruti, M&M, as well as Ashok Leyland. These three stocks are looking very promising from the automobile pack. Another space which I like is, from oil and gas sector, I believe that, IGL and MGL should be focused because, risk reward is damn good for both the stocks because corrective action is already done and both the stocks are showing, good accumulation. So IGL and MGL is also another sector where one can look at to buy this stock for, positional perspective. So, automobile, pharma, and from banking space, I like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and from housing finance sector, I like, HDFC Limited as well as LIC Housing Finance. So these four stocks from BFSI sector, I like, one can, go long, and I believe that these stocks can deliver good return in coming time.
Sir, any consolidation you see in the IT pack or you see similar momentum in the IT sector?
So, in IT Tech, what exactly is happening, there is a hangover from this policy announcement from the US government, and market is waiting for that. And so I believe that, some more consolidation we can see because, most of the stocks are depend on the, global policy and, dollar momentum also. So I think some sort of consolidation will be there in the IT space, but trend is bullish, and those who are looking for, some, medium-term perspective, they should remain invested in the IT stocks. And whenever, volatility comes in the IT stock, they can buy and accumulate the stock like TCS as well as the Infosys. Both the stocks are looking very attractive from the large cap pack from the IT space. And from mid cap space, I like, Mindtree as well as Tech Mahindra. These two stocks are also looking very attractive. So overall setup is positive for IT space, but maybe some consolidation period would be there for maybe next 15 days or 1 month time. We can see some range bound consolidation, and then finally again we will see the resumption of the uptrend in the IT stock also.
Right, sir. Sir, any stock that you are very cautious right now, or any particular segment that you are still cautious right now, which is far ahead of its valuation?
See, I'm not that much cautious in terms of, we are not seeing as such, big crash or big corrective action in the market because, broader market is performing, and maybe some consolidation action would be there or some profit taking would be there based on some news flow or some, already stock has shown good run up in recent past. So those stocks, those have already run up quite sharply in last 1 or 2 months. Those stocks can show some consolidation action, but trend is positive. So if I was just going through all the indices of the sector, so most of the indices are in positive territory for short to medium term perspective now. So looking at the broader picture, I'm not that much cautious in terms of a major correction or major fall in the any specific stock or something. It could be termed as a corrective action should be there, but that is a healthy sign for the market because we are seeing it one way really in the market since last 3-4 months. So that correction should be used as a buying opportunity only. And most of the sectors are in the positive territory, so there is no as such cautiousness in terms of major corrective move. I am looking in the near term. So it would be consolidation like IT we have already discussed. Maybe corrective action would be there. Maybe metals has already moved up sharply in last 1 month. So maybe some consolidation again in the metal also we can witness in some period of time. So that is again, buying opportunity. If any corrective actions comes, one should use as a buying opportunity only.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Jignesh.
Yeah.